Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix hotspot networking issues on your Poco M8 Pro. If these tutorials help you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable notification for more useful guides. Now let's begin and restore hotspot functionality.